This is the Second Niger Bridge access road, which was flagged off last year around March 25th, 2025 by the current president of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Since the flag off, we have been following up with the construction, and last month we visited the construction site, and just a month after we are back again to go and bring latest update for you guys. So this is the current looks of that flyover, and this road we are currently on is leading you to the Slab from Okpanam sections. So once we turn around, we will show you the complete view of this flyover. This particular road is the Asagba down to Okpanam and down to Asagba road is being blocked currently, so the motorists are making use of one lane. As you can see, the road is completely gone, like it's gone for life until it's repaired. So this is the current looks of that particular road, the Asagba to Okpanam road axis. And this is the view of the flyover if you are coming from Asagba axis. You can see that the retaining walls has been completed from this section. This is under the flyover, and this is what the under currently look like. I think what they are trying to do when I visited is installation of the deck slab. As you can see, the retaining walls has been completed all right round, waiting for some filling. This is another side of the flyover. This particular area is taking you back to Okpanam/Asaba, while the other section I showed you before is Asagba section. So this is the look. The retaining walls, everything has been completed, waiting to be sand filled, then followed by the decking slab, which I earlier told you guys. I recorded this video on the 6th of August 2026, and as at the time of visiting, I noticed that they are currently on site working, which you can see on my videos. So after this section, I'll be taking you guys down to the access road where they are currently constructing drainage system. Months ago when I visited here, the drainage construction has not commenced, but as you can see right now, they have commenced the construction of drainage system. We have been waiting for this for ages, and right now it is happening. The drainage construction is happening section by section, not everywhere. Like this section, you can find the drainage. In other sections, you cannot find anything. If you shift a little bit back, you will still get to where they are still constructing another drainage. So it is happening section by section until it is completed. From my observation, I noticed that this drainage system is a bit tiny compared to the amount of flood that is happening around here. From the last video I did, I showed you guys the kind of flood that passes through this place, though not around here, but down before that river, where I will still show you guys on this video. So my own worry is can this be able to actually contain the amount of flood happening here, or are they still gonna build a very big canal that this one will be channeling to? But for now, we have not much to say until it is done. Maybe something else is gonna be coming up. All here has received concrete pavement. Forget the fact that some section of it has been covered with more sand, but all around here has received concrete pavement, though there are some sections that are yet to receive. But drainage system or drainage construction is currently ongoing around there, and once we get there, I will still show you guys. Also, the road is very wide, as you can see in our video, and they are going to be demarcating it from the middle. If you have not watched our previous video where the demarcation is clearly showing, you can go back and watch them, but you can still see them on this particular clip if you stick to the end. So around here, the concrete pavement has not commenced yet, but sensation of it has received a drainage construction. So as you can see on my video, they are currently working. They are actively working, and if they continue like this, I'm seeing this work being completed in no due time. Like I said in previously, they have gotten to that Asaba stroke Ibuzo road axis, which they have also gone across it, heading towards the Second Niger Bridge access road. If you wish to watch that particular one, you can head over to our channel and search for the video. I've covered that place before, but I've not bring you guys the latest update because they have gone past where I stopped the previous time. So on my next video, I'll be going back there to go and bring you the latest update. I think where they currently are, the last time I visited there, which I did not make a video, is around that Okowa farm axis. So I'll be bringing you guys the update on my next tour.
Oh no no, fugo ni feti chukwu no baka, ebele chukwu ga sasa. Otego nwoke bido bibe n'iju anya o, mana aga ma pasa n'ụgbọ na-aga. Ịmana men na-agbana sigo n'ụzọ ije o, ụfọdụ kacha kweta nọ na-eme. Biko Chukwu abịa ma onye ọma niile eme mma o. Aga m apụ n'ezigbo onye ama ama. Asị m ifugo n'ife tinyere Chukwu n'ọba aka, ebele Chukwu ga-aza aza. Otego nwoke bidoro bibe n'iju anya o, mana aga m apasa n'ụgbọ na-aga aga. Ịmana men na-agbanasigo n'ụzọ ije o, ụfọdụ kacha kweta nọ na-eme. Biko Chukwu abịa ma onye ọma niile eme mma o. Ama m na aga m apụ n'ezigbo onye ama ama.
We are gradually approaching the river where the big culvert, or should I say bridge, is being constructed. That particular bridge or culvert is approaching his final stage this time around that we visited. In no due time, they will complete it. So you can see another drainage around here. This one will connect to that river and rest of them. So guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do subscribe, and don't forget to click on the like button. Do share the video and tell us, what do you think about this road construction? Are they sluggish? Are they moving very fast? What do you think about the drainage system, which I say it's a bit narrow? What do you think about it? Do you think they should widen it more, or that particular size is okay, or should we wait until everything is done and dusted? Thank you for watching, guys. Do have a wonderful day. Till we meet again in our next video.
Looking out across the nighttime, the city rings a sleepless eye. Hear her voice shake my window.